Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y21D and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the list of apps. Then tap on See All 71 apps. And basically this is the list of apps that are installed on this device, and what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of them, especially those which are frequently using, and remove cache. Cache are junk files that are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, sometimes they can interfere if they are corrupted, and obviously they are occupying some memory. Maybe not a lot, but still you cannot really remove it by using the standard cleanup options, let's say. So you need to do it manually. So all you have to do is to tap on the app, and then let's go to Storage and Cache. And here we've got this cache section, so simply tap on Clear Cache and your device will immediately remove it. So as I said, go through all of those apps and check from which you want to remove cache. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.